Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the volume and the sound of your ringtone in Galaxy A55 5G. Let's do this. So now, as you can see, we are on the main screen, and from here we have to go to the settings. Here we have to choose sounds and vibration and the ringtone. Here you can change your ringtone volume by using this one. Yeah. And if you want to change the sound of your ringtone, you can choose the one from the list. For example, maybe this one. We can make it more loud. Yes. But if you don't want anything from this list, you want your own ringtone or your own song, you have to click on a plus and go to here, to your folders. Here you can search for your own song or go to albums, artists, folders and tracks as on the beginning. That's all. Thanks for watching my video, and if you want to know more about your Galaxy A55 5G, go to our series about this phone on our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye!